If you need help with a Mailchimp and want a quick way to get support, this guide will walk you through the simplest path inside your account. In this video, I'll show you how to contact Mailchimp support using the built-in help and assistant tools so you can find answers faster without wasting time searching all over the place. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Help. This is where Mailchimp keeps its support options, so it's the best place to start whenever you have a question or run into an issue. After you open Help, you'll see Assistant. Click on Assistant because this is Mailchimp's AI chat support tool. You can type in your question, explain the issue you're having, and the assistant will try to guide you toward a solution. This is especially useful if you want instant help without waiting around. Next, click on Search next to Assistant. This lets you look up answers directly inside the help system. If you know the topic you need help with, or even if you only have a general idea, this search feature can save you a lot of time. As you search, Mailchimp will show you suggested answers and related help articles. You'll often see a section that says, "People like you viewed these answers." That area is helpful because it surfaces common questions and popular solutions based on what other users searched for. Now take a look through the results and click on the option that matches your issue. If you see a question or article that looks relevant, open it and read through the steps carefully. In many cases, the answer you need is already there, and you can solve the problem without needing to contact a person directly. If the first result doesn't solve your issue, go back and try another related answer from the list. Mailchimp support is designed to guide you through common problems quickly, so browsing a few suggestions can often get you to the right fix. And that's it. You now know how to contact Mailchimp support using Help, Assistant, and Search inside your account. It's a fast and easy way to get help when you need it most. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.